You did it! Good morning. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? There's so many of these tiny, lovely houses around here. And they're all abandoned. I'm sure half of them are for sale. If you take your time and look around well here, you can buy a house for nothing everywhere, I'm sure. Abandoned. Communal well. You see them everywhere here, and they're so well looked after as well. That's so nice. But yeah, I'm tired. Worked very hard. I'm going to take the day off. So Timo gets a bit of a bigger walk today, and I'd say come along. I saw this lovely little trail, and I don't know where it goes. So let's find out. Come along. All those bushes are hazelnuts, walnut, and we already saw the chestnuts. It's the land of nuts. Nice. But yeah, this is just a street in the village I live. Fantastic. Just around the corner. It's so cute. Abandoned, but we had a real population explosion here because the neighbors next door moved in 2 weeks before us. Then we came, and yesterday I met somebody who arrived yesterday. So I guess that is called an explosion of people here. Nice though. All these empty houses do us no good. But this is the little lane I saw. I could see it from the road. Isn't it gorgeous? I think I end up somewhere between our hamlet and the village we belong to, and I can walk back. Would be nice. Amazing. Let's save that one for next time. Let's do this one first. Because that goes in the direction that I think I know where it goes. And I've seen quite a lot of these type of lanes. They're everywhere. There's not a ton of variety in them, but they're everywhere. So, enough walkies. Don't go in, Timo. Don't go in. And the weather? Well, it's kind of strange. Because it's not warm, it's not cold, it's just nice. And basically, that was our winter weather in Turkey. And now it's high summer. So yeah, I guess the winter will be not as much fun. But I hope to be somewhere else then. At least break it up in chunks. To avoid cabin fever. So yeah. So anxious to start the rest of the work. Just to have it behind me and do a lot of living again. But it's a lot of work. I hope to finish upstairs soon. Maybe in 2 weeks. And then downstairs might take the whole of August. And with a bit of luck, I can start the van. And if the weather holds, that can go pretty quickly. I'm just a bit scared to start, but we'll see. Oh, it's all open here. Nice. Look. It's so beautiful here. Lusciously green, quiet. I mean, never see soul when I'm walking. Love it. And this lane definitely gets included in our morning walk ritual. I've got 3 now of decent size, let's say between 3 and 5 kilometers. Perfect for the morning walk. Yeah, we're getting there. It's so pretty with the early sun coming through. Wow. But yeah, that was another one I can explore. Wow. We're not done yet here. Because there's the main road to the small village that our hamlet belongs to. Or I can go straight ahead. Good morning, donkey. That's a while ago that I saw a donkey. Hier blijven, Timo. Nou, dan put Timo on the lead. Must be fantastic here if you like horse riding, with all these little lanes. But yeah, I'm exactly where I thought we would be. A farm and close to the crossing of our hamlet. So yeah, that was our little walkie. See you guys tomorrow. New day on the job. Okay, this one came out first. That one second, in case you want to put them back. That got better. Oh yeah, I disappeared in the hole if I'm not careful. Good morning! And then we had a big hole. Thing is, if you come up the steps, it feels like you're drunk. That floor is dented. And it feels like here it's all low. Where if you take the level, it's all level up to there. This is all level. And that one is high. Let me show you when I close the door. And it turns out that that is high. So we're going to take a centimeter of this. You can even see it here how it's high, darling.
Yeah.
Where from the point where you were sitting. Wow.
Yeah, it's very obvious. And I think that one piece of particle board will flatten that right out perfectly.
Yeah, that'd be great if you take something off the beam. Yeah. Sounds like a plan. And then you don't do the bathroom until we do the bathroom.
Until we do the bathroom.
It's not easier to do it now.
Because we got to know what's underneath that shower enclosed before we start anything.
So what do you think? They did that when they put the new beam in?
I don't know what their thinking is. They're from a different planet.
True. So the plan is to make tiny cuts with the saw, chisel them out, and then put new flooring in. A little lower. And the bathroom, you heard the boss, next time. Because that bathroom just gets a facelift for now. It'll be done later. We have other things to do. But I'll be happy when this is done, because then I can continue with the laminate flooring. And be done with it. I just have to sit on a cushion like an old fart.
Like a little lady.
Like an old fart.
Like a little queen.
One question, the chisel. Which side goes in?
You want...
The flat side up?
If you're able to put your chisel level, you can put the flat side down. If you're, look at me, if you're a little elevated like this, then you put the bevel side down.
Alright, then it's the bevel side. Wow, need to be stronger than I am, I think. I'm gonna hit my thumb today somewhere. Oh, there's a knot in the wood, no wonder it goes hard. You're supposed to sit down. You're supposed to sit down.
I was sitting down. You got really
I always wanted to learn to work with chisels, but in a more artsy way than this.
a little more, sitting in a comfortable chair.
Yeah, under a tree with a piece of wood and some nice chisels.
And you walk comfy, right?
Yeah. But that's life. Can't leave the apprentice alone. But the one here, man, that's so hard. The one that was loose,
Yeah.
I just hammer and nothing happens. Oh yeah, there we have a little movement. Yay!
Idea what it is.
Probably oak. I mean, there's so much oak here. Why not use it? It's good wood. But there's a big knot here, so you probably have to sand that away or grind it away. That's too short.
Ah, fuck. You got the scroll saw up here?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Shit.
It's the wall that's coming in. You know, it's
Yeah.
these stone walls, they're not straight. You want to go out again and make this more... Yeah, you want me to try it? Still don't fit.
You're still not on the board down there, though.
Still don't fit.
You're not?
I can't go further because I'm hitting the wall. You went off your line
but
here.
Look at how much of a gap you've got between this and the floor back there. You gotta lift it up and push it back.
I can't. There's a tongue and groove, eh? There's a lip here.
That's your
Wrong way
down
around.
here, yeah.
All right, please. Still not going in.
Yeah, it's just into the wall. It's the.
And I just took a centimeter off. I have an idea. What if I put it inside the wall and then shove it back?
Right.
At least would that work? No. No, it's too thick. All right, I'll take another centimeter off. Let's see. Fourth time. Just a little bit missing. See here? Just a touch.
It won't smash in.
No, I won't know. Now it's in. Yay! Oh, that feels already much better. We did it!